Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an account in the Land Bank of the Philippines. Now to do that, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once the web browser opens up on your screen, on the search bar type in Land Bank of the Philippines and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. After you click on this first link, you will be on the home page of Land Bank. Now, on this page, you will see a menu on the middle of the screen like this. Now, firstly, you'll have to go ahead and put your mouse over this e-banking option like this. And you will have to choose whether you want a individual account or a corporate account. So, let's say if you want an individual account, simply hover your mouse over this individual tab and then scroll over to this I-Access option and click on it. Now keep in mind that you can also access and register to the Land Bank using your mobile app, which is available on Play Store. So once you click on that I-Access option, you will be redirected to this page. Now on this page, scroll down and find this I'd like to open an account option and click on this arrow like this. Once you do that, you will be on another page. Now on this page, simply scroll down and choose what kind of account you want to create. So if you want to create a personal individual account, click on this option. If you want a PSO account, on this option. If you want a sole proprietorship account, click on this. If you want a corporate payroll account, on this, and a retail agri loans account and various other accounts, if you want, you can click on each of them. So let's say if you want a personal individual account, simply click on this open an account button on that card. After you do that, you will be on another page where you will have to fill in some details. You will have to fill in all these details such as your account subtype. So let's say it's individual, your deposit, or you will have to click on the product type. So let's say it's a ATM savings account. Your first name here, your middle name, last name, name suffix if you want to. If it's a junior, just click on junior. Your mobile phone number, your email address. Then simply tick on this option and click on this I'm not a robot option and click on this proceed with application button. Once you fill all these details and click on this button, and if your details are legit and verified, your account on Land Bank will be created. I hope this video helped you to create an account on Land Bank. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.